Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday, 13th July 2020, and today we are going to elaborate the uses of dams and enlist the purposes of building dams. So before starting today's lesson, let's recap that so far हमने अपने chapter number 3 that is River of Pakistan उसमें क्या discuss किया था. Alright, so please take out your textbooks. Alright children, चैप्टर नंबर 3 रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान में सो फार हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट द रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान दैट देयर आर 5 रिवर्स दैट फ्लोज थ्रू द पंजाब एंड फाइनली ऑल ऑफ दीज रिवर्स आर द ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ रिवर इंडस and the names of the tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. And उसके बाद हमने dams and barrages discuss किए that dams and barrages are built to collect and store water. And as all of you know that Pakistan has the world's largest irrigation system. पाकिस्तान के पास दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा largest जो है irrigation system है. Irrigation means to water the fields and crops, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में जो है पाकिस्तान की जो इकोनॉमी है दैट इज़ एग्रीकल्चरल बेस्ड. सो जितनी हमारी यहाँ पे क्रॉप्स हैं वो सब जो हैं उनको जो है वाटर देने के लिए, इरीगेट करने के लिए हमारा जो ये डैम्स एंड बैरेजेस का सिस्टम है दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस. सो उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे एक और मैप है. लेट मी शो यू दिस वन. दिस इज़ द एटलस मैप, Atlas book of Oxford. So as a resource मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ. This is the map of Punjab. You see, this is the map of Punjab, and let's see the rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, River Ravi, River Sutlej, and this is the River Indus. You see, and that's how. This is the point. यहाँ पे ये सारी रिवर्स हैं जो these are the tributaries of river Indus. They join here. All of these fall into river Indus. और ये वो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे ये सारी रिवर्स मिल जाती हैं किसमें, रिवर इंडस में. एंड फाइनली रिवर इंडस ends in the Arabian Sea. और रिवर इंडस जो है वो एंड होती है किसमें, अरेबियन सी में. यू सी, दिस इज़ द रिवर इंडस और ये किस में एंड हो रही है, अरेबियन सी में. सो ये हमने मैप में एक दफ़ा फिर लोकेट कर लिया अपने रिवर्स को. ऑलराइट, सो हम पढ़े थे डैम्स एंड बैरेजेस. सो डैम्स एंड बैरेजेस में हमने पढ़ा था लार्ज डैम्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान इंक्लूड तरबेला डैम, तरबेला डैम एंड मंगला डैम. यू सी, मंगला डैम एंड तरबेला डैम, दीज आर दी large dams. All right, excuse me. And Hub Dam, Rawal Dam, these are the small dams. All right, now we are going to attempt exercise question. This is the question on book page number 17. Exercise question number 2. Write 3 uses of dams. This is the exercise question what we are going to attempt now. इसमें हम बताएंगे uses of dams. Alright, so uses of dams क्या है? Actually the dams are built to control floods, and they provide a supply of water to towns and cities, and dams are also very useful to generate electricity in electrohydric power stations. So ये वो purposes हैं, वो uses हैं dams की जिसकी बेस पे dams को build up किया जाता है. So I would like you to open up your notebooks to attempt the exercise question. Alright children, first of all let's prepare the notebook. Write down the day followed by the date. Monday 13th July 2020, classwork, chapter number 3, Rivers of Pakistan. Topic exercise question, uses of dams. Draw a margin line. Alright, and you see the presentation of the notebook. आपने similarly अपनी notebook को prepare करना है. And excuse me, and then write down exercise question number 2. Write any 3 uses of dams. And now we are going to enlist the uses of dams. A dam helps to control floods. This is the use of number 1 use. Second use is a dam provides a supply of water to towns and cities. 3. A dam generates hydroelectricity in hydroelectric power stations. What is hydroelectricity? We discussed this earlier. हमने ये पढ़ा था. Hydroelectricity means the electricity which is made by moving water of rivers and streams. So that electricity is called hydroelectricity. Word hydro means water, and it is basically Greek word. Its originate is from Greek side. यहाँ ये Greek का word है and it means water. And hydroelectricity means the electricity which is made by moving water of rivers and stream. So these are the basically three uses, and here we have enlisted three uses of dams. A dam helps to control floods. A dam provides a supply of water to towns and cities. A dam generates electricity, hydroelectricity in hydroelectric power stations. Alright, so make sure that you write very neatly. Your pencil tip should be sharp. आपने blunt writing नहीं करनी. आप देख रहे हैं, write down one use, then leave one line, and then write second use. After writing second use, skip another line and then start use number 3. So that's how you will prepare your notebook and you will complete your work. After that, you have to fill up your index. That is 13th July 2020, chapter number 3, exercise question answer. Alright children, let me tell you one thing, that ये जो आपके notes हैं, आप Smart School की जो app में working कर रहे हैं, after watching the video of relevant subject, for example you are watching the video lesson of SST. After watching the video, you will go in the folder of notes. वहाँ पे ये notes uploaded हैं, तो आप वहाँ से इसको download करेंगे and you will complete the notes in your notebooks. आप इस तरह से अपने notebooks को prepare करेंगे और अपने ये notes exercise question answer complete करेंगे. Alright, now it's time to look at the diary. Alright, today's diary is complete classwork, exercise question number 2, and define the term hydroelectricity as homework in notebook. See book page number 15. Alright, today's homework is to define hydroelectricity. This is the book page number 15 और यहाँ पे हमने एक short question बनाया था, define the term hydroelectricity. हमने ये term define की थी hydroelectricity. Let me show you closely. And वो term क्या थी? See this. Hydro is a Greek word which means water, and hydroelectricity means making electricity from the moving water of rivers and stream. This is the definition of the term hydroelectricity. You will prepare the notebook as I have always guided you. You will write down the question, define the term, and after giving the heading you will write down the definition of the given term. So आप इस तरह से इसको complete करेंगे अपने homework को, and I'm sure कि आप after completing the homework notebook में इसका index भी similarly fill करेंगे. So that's all from for now. Thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.